Today we're going to make a solution that I like to call hot ice. To do that, we're going to mix some vinegar and some baking soda together in these beakers, and we're going to make a solution of acetic acid. We're going to get some bubbling of the carbon dioxide that's going to come off as part of the reaction, and then we're going to evaporate the water out of it and have a very concentrated solution, which is going to be not only super saturated, it's going to be super cooled. And when we can get that just right, it's super cool because we can drop a crystal in there and it's going to crystallize right in front of us, and it's just really fun to watch. So let's do that. We're going to pour in here 300 milliliters of vinegar and mix it slowly with the baking soda. Now, if you want to try this at home, this is about 1.25 cups of vinegar and about 2.5 teaspoons of baking soda. So we're going to mix these together slowly because a lot of bubbles are made, and you might want to do this if you do it at home over the sink because it'll bubble up pretty good. So if it starts going up too high, you slow down. Okay, and that is it. Now it's all mixed. Now we got to evaporate all the water and get it down to about 35 milliliters or so. Just get it just right. All right, so now we've got this set up to evaporate the water out of the solution. We want to get it down to its more concentrated state, so we're going to use some gas and start to heat it up. We could use a Bunsen burner or a hot plate or a stove, anything that'll heat it up and get the water to evaporate. So we started at 300 milliliters. We're going to try to get it down to about 35 or so. So it looks about like this. And once it's that much, we can let it cool down. We have to get it below its freezing point. So at room temperature is below the freezing point. You can speed it up by putting it in the refrigerator. And once it's below the freezing point, if it hasn't turned into a solid, we can just take some crystals and drop it in there and watch it crystallize right in front of us. It is so cool to watch. So some people have taken this supersaturated sodium acetate and actually put it in some plastic, and it's now a hand warmer. So all you have to do is you just take the little disc in there and you pop it, and that starts a nucleation point, and it'll start to crystallize all the way throughout the plastic. So we're going to do a little close-up here. So come take a look at how it crystallizes inside the plastic. All right, so we just need a nucleation point, and so we're going to take this little disc here in the middle and we're going to pop it in between our fingers, and it will start the process. You can see the crystallization going on in between there, and it's getting firm because it's turning into a solid. It's nice and warm. That's why these are being sold as hand warmers. And you can see the crystallization is going. Once it finds its nucleation point, off she goes. And it's fun to watch, and it feels good to your hands, nice and warm. This has been a lot of fun. Thank you for watching.